So if you're lucky, you take your window out, it hasn't been leaking for 40 years, but in my case I'm not so lucky, it has been leaking, and I can see that these, we're going to call them studs. This one, there's two here, this one is what holds that window in, and they all have rot, so I'm going to have to change these, replace them, those three pieces. When I'm ready, I'll come back and you can see. So obviously we've pulled out all the broken stud or the old rotten stuff, put it in there. It's good and strong. All I've been doing is just taking scrap 2x4s and ripping them on the table saw down to 1.5 inches, which is what these are. So now we're going to go outside. One thing I wanted to mention is, of course, you're going to, now that you're ready to put the window in, you're going to peel off this paper backing off of your butyl tape. Okay, we'll be outside in a minute. Okay, so we're outside. Obviously we've got the new butyl tape on. We've peeled the backing off. We're ready to go. Replace the rotted stud from the inside. Also, we've scraped off as much as we can. You could spend all kinds of time and take acetone and all that. I haven't bothered and it's working fine. So make sure you got the right way up. You should fit right into your hole. Now I'm using these 2-inch drywall screws because that's what I have on hand. You could go out and buy stainless steel or whatever. The ones that were in there from the original manufacturer weren't stainless, and I figured these will rot eventually, but I'll be long since dead. So when I'm done, I'll show you the finished product. Okay folks, that's this part of the project completed. The window in, all fresh stud in there. Now some of you might notice I didn't put this back in because we're going to run new hydro in here, 14.2, and then I will drill holes where it's necessary to run the wiring through with proper grommets. These are the old steel ones, they're not legal anymore. So anyways, that's it for now.